and welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with a Primetime News special report. It's the story of two teens hustling at a stoplight in the corporate area.
Our news team spoke with them on the eve of back to school. As we hear in this report, the boys who dream of becoming professional footballers also want to juggle academics with sports.
Here's Jamaica Maitland.
It's 8:30 p.m. on Sunday, September 1, the eve of back to school. Two boys, Omigo and O'Neill, are seen begging motorists in the corporate area.
Slow terms and buy food over Santana Pharmacy. Switch.
And at about from what age do you think you started doing this?
On me at 12.
The boys, both 14 years old, revealed that they were introduced to the street life from an older boy in the community where they live.
So at the time I come up and make a 1,000 or 500. I still do it out and discount. I'm not getting what enough to put on.
The youngsters told us that they've not been attending school regularly. Neither of them could tell the last time they were in the physical classroom.
What grade are you in? 9. Are you ready for back to school? You have the things in for back to school? So what you need for back to school? What you need for back to school?
In fact, it's their love for football that's partly driving it.
How good are you with playing football? Only tell me if I'm good.
Yes, Mr. Can play, can strike.
TVJ News found their parents in Majesty Gardens in St. Andrew. Felicia Perkins is Omigo's mother. She revealed that she has 8 children. Only 4 are of school age. Her youngest are twin boys aged 12. All are in school except for Omigo. She tearfully explained the situation.
When I stop pray to God because I need him to go back to school and I left everything in God's hand and here's come when I come and says God work miracle. I don't appreciate anything.
As for O'Neill's mom, Nadisha, she has 6 children.
I don't feel good. I feel a way about it and I'm sorry that I can't help him. Yeah, because I have 3 smaller ones and the father for them they're jail.
In between odd jobs and taking care of the other kids, the mothers, who were the sole breadwinners, couldn't quite say for sure when their son's interest in school began to fade. It's their way of helping out, the duo told us.
I go to school all the week and then Friday I come out here, wash my uniform and then I come out here.
Felicia's livelihood, a bar, fell victim to the pandemic. Without the income, it became difficult.
I'd like to return it back and sell different stuff like all different type of product, but not a bar again. From toilet tissue to rag to soap, all different type of donny, every little thing, cake, soap, cup, every little thing.
May I ask why not a bar again?
No, I don't need the bar again because I serve God and I don't want to go that other way there. I want to go the natural way where God did I feel better about.
The parents admit that they need to be back in school.
I'm head quick and easy to catch on. Yeah. So I feel like I can go to school now and start back in this September and we catch up back quick.
Omigo, however, wants a school with a football program.
I see him interested and him love football. Him can play football good. Him does. If a school don't have football, him don't want to go there.
The parents, on the other hand, want them to juggle the books and the ball.
Just that thing kind of gets slow for it and we really can't help them the way they want the help. It's just that so. But I'm glad to see them and go back to school right now.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.